Welcome to Mindfulness Flow, day 279 of the 365 Days Meditation Challenge. Today's meditation is about releasing the need to fix everything and simply letting it be. Let's begin by taking a deep breath in and exhale slowly. Allow yourself to soften into the moment. You don't have to have all the answers right now. Now, say to yourself, I let it be. I trust the process, and I am safe in this moment. Breathe into this truth that peace doesn't come from control, but from surrender. When you're ready, gently bring yourself back to the present and carry this sense of ease with you into your day. Thank you for joining me on Mindfulness Flow. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of inner peace.